In 1503, during the Italian Wars, a powerful French army of knights and Swiss mercenaries marched south to crush the Spanish in Italy. The French outnumbered them, and in open ground victory seemed certain. But the Spanish commander, Gonzalo de Córdoba, chose a different kind of battlefield. He built trenches and earthworks, armed them with early arquebusiers, and waited behind fortified lines. When the French cavalry charged, they expected steel-on-steel combat. Instead, they met gunpowder. Volley after volley tore through the charge. French knights fell before they could even reach the walls. Their army collapsed in shock, defeated before the sword was ever drawn. Cerignola became the first major battle in history, won by firearms, and it signaled the end of the night and the rise of the gun. Battlefield Legends, where gunpowder ends the age of heroes. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.